Welcome back. Two youth were crushed to death in an accident at Navelim on Tuesday. A driver and a pillion rider on a motorcycle were crushed to death after their bike collided with a truck on a turn. Bodies were sent to hospital after the inquest Panchanama. Margao police have arrested the driver of the tipper truck for rash driving and causing death by negligence.
Rider and pillion rider of motorcycle were crushed to death after their motorcycle collided with truck on a turn at Navelim on Tuesday. Sadiq Managi, aged 22 years, from Dharmapur, Naveli, and Sangar Sudesh Govekar, aged 16 years, resident of Boda Fatoda, were both crushed to death in the accident. Both the bodies were sent to Auspicio Hospital after the inquest Panchanama. Meanwhile, Margao police have arrested the driver of the tipper truck, Nazir Hamid Nadaf, for rash driving and causing death by negligence.
काय होता ॲक्सिडेंट जाऊन एक वर झाले आम्ही पोलिसीक फोन मारले वन नोट येऊन पळयले आणि गेले मेलो म्हणून आता पोलिसीन एक वर झाले दोन हवालदार येयले बाईक घेऊन डेड बॉडी रस्त्यावर पडला रगत पळय आणि येते वयते मनीस घुवळ येऊन पडपा लागला हांगा गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे मागता असले खंय ॲक्सिडेंट जाऊन पयली पुलीस येवपाचे आणि व्हरपाचे.
A reporter from Naveli, Savio Dias.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar wants to start the work of Mopa Airport this year itself. Parrikar had a meeting with Land Acquisition Officer, local MLAs and others at his office in Porvorim. He informed that he will hold a meeting with the screening committee on 23rd April and will also ask for a proper plan from the consultants.
23 तारखेक स्टेरिंग कमिटीची मीटिंग आसा आणि कन्सल्टंटांक सांगला की तुम्ही टाइम शेड्यूल दिया आमकां. आमचे इंटेंशन आहे की ह्या वर्सा भितर एअरपोर्टाचें काम चालू घेवंक जाय अशें इंटेंशन आहा. 23 तारखेक कळटलें आनी गिव्ज द ब्रिफींग. इतल्या बेगीन करप हे शेवटी फायनल देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बियॉन्ड मी. फ्रॉम माय सायड आय हॅव टोल्ड देम टू गिव अस शेड्यूल वॉट दे वॉन्ट फ्रॉम अस, म्हणजे हाऊ मच क्लियरन्स, हाऊ फास्ट. बट देर आर क्लियरन्सीस फॉर सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट, सो आय कॅनॉट प्रेडिक्ट द शेड्यूल. बट देर वॉन्ट बी वेस्टेज ऑफ टायम. रेट आहा पळय तो विशय एअरपोर्टाचो न्हय, तो सरकाराच्या लँड पॉलिसीचो. सो सरकार आमी डिक्लेअर केल्लें आसा एसेंब्लीन की लँड पॉलिसी आमी जाहीर करतले आनी तातूंत हांवें एक म्हत्वाचो विशय बरयल्लो आसा. स्पोर्ट्स सिटी आनी एअरपोर्ट ह्या दोन प्रोजेक्टांक ज्या जमनीचे लोकांचे जमीन गेल्या तांकां हे लँड पॉलिसी प्रमाणे जमीन मेळटली. सादारण लँड पॉलिसी जी आसा तातूंत रेट हो म्हणजे मार्केट रेट आहा ताका लागीपास खंय तरी आसतलो. लोकांक अडचण जाता थंय आमी स्टेप इन करतले. म्हणून हांवें सांगलें न्हय की आमी जमनीचे भाव वाडोवन दितले, पण एअरपोर्ट हांव थारोवंक शकना. आय विल नॉट डू दॅट. एअरपोर्ट डेफिनेटली गरज ना ते आमी घेवचेच ना, पण गरज आहा ते घेतले कायद्या प्रमाणे, पण रेट सारके दितले म्हणजे कमीत कमी नुकसान तरी लोकांचे भरून येतले.
A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shirkar, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
The trend of using minors for committing thefts is on the rise in the state. Monday witnessed 3 theft cases in South Goa with suspected involvement of minors. Recently, juvenile delinquents from Apnagar were used for committing thefts by 2 staff members of Apnagar.
This might be a shocking news for many, but a routine for those criminals and history cheaters who use minors to commit crimes. The trend of using minors for thefts is gaining momentum in the state. Minors are lured to commit theft by promising them cash and other goods in return. However, none of the police officers are ready to speak on camera. Goa police suspect use of minors for committing theft in Vittal Mandir, Margao on Tuesday. The thieves have robbed around 30 to 40,000 rupees in cash by breaking open the donation box. Police suspect the thief entered the temple through the ventilator hole. St. Andrew Church at Vasco witnessed a similar theft case suspecting involvement of a minor in February this year. The donation box of the church was broken with the help of a microphone stand. Cash of around 10,000 rupees was robbed from the donation box. A minor was suspected to have entered the church through a window grill. Meanwhile, Vasco police, while patrolling, apprehended 2 minor boys at Baina on Tuesday for committing theft of a Dio scooter. Police sources informed that Dio scooter has been stolen from Margao. Vasco police also detained another minor for committing theft of a mobile. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Uzwad Naslolo Dis by Anil Olga has brought rays of hope to a kid who is suffering from brain-related diseases. Theatrists have raised funds to a triat to support for medical expenses of the child.
Uzwad Naslelo Dis has actually brought Uzwad in a life of a kid who is suffering from meningitis and hydrocephalus. The theatre was organized in the Navelim Margao. Theatrists have donated around 62,000 to the kid for his treatment.
He is suffering from meningitis and hydrocephalus. ही दोन दुयेंसां ताका जाल्लीं आहा, भयंकर दुयेंसां, आनी हेचे ऑपरेशन जाल्ले उपरांत ताका जो पळय इलाज जाय ताका मोर देन 7 lakhs इतले पयशांचो खर्च आहा. सो आमी हो तियात्र अनिल ओल्गाचो उजवाड नासलेलो दीस हो तियात्र आज ह्या भुरग्या पासत ह्या हॉलान लायिल्लो आसा, रवींद्र भवन पाय तियात्रीस हॉलान. आनी ह्या तियात्राचो जो पळय आमकां इनकम आयला तो टिकेटी वयल्यानूच कोण आमदार वा मंत्र्या कडच्यान आमी कितेंच घेवंक ना. हो 61,180 रुपीज हो जो पळय येयला तो सगळो आमी हो इनकम आमी ह्या भुरग्या पासत ताच्या मानचे कडेन आमी दिल्लो आहा.
A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
The State Science and Technology Council plans to formulate special schemes for weaker sections of society. The council will use funds allocated from the centre for this project. Within the next 3 months, this plan will be formulated with the help of NGOs and will be sent to Delhi for approval.
The Goa Science and Technology Council, along with the Central Department of Science and Technology, held an awareness workshop on the formulation of state science and technology proposals for weaker sections of the society.
म्हाका एकच गोष्ट हांगासर वायट दिसली, खटकली, ती म्हणजे ह्या बाबतीन आमची वेगवेगळी खाती जी आसात सरकारची ती कितली इनडिफरंट आसात, उदासीन आसात ते ह्या निमित्ताने कळ्ळें आमकां. तांकां हातून खरें म्हणजे आयच्या ह्या कार्यक्रमाक सोशल वेलफेअर सामाजीक कल्याणाचे समाज कल्याण खात्याचो मनीस हांगासर हजर आसपाक जाय आशिल्लो, तांचो मनीस हांगासर हजर ना. अशा वेगवेगळ्या प्रमुख खात्यांचो मनीसूच हांगा हजर ना, जाल्यार तें इंटरेक्शन जातलें कसलें? ते ताज्या बाबतीन कितले सिरियस आसा तें हाजे वयल्यान दिसून येता. हांवें सांगलां नोडल एजन्सी म्हणून जी आसा सायन्स अँड टॅक्नॉलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट तांकां की हाजी गंभीरपणान नोंद घेयात आनी दे शूड रायट टू द गव्हर्मेंट बॅक रिगार्डिंग दीस. I myself personally will look into it.
Representatives of various NGOs and other government departments held a meeting on Tuesday to decide on the state component plan for SC community.
स्टेट कंपोनंट प्लॅनांक SC कंपोनंट प्लॅन जो आसा त्या संदर्भात जे गोंयान जे वेगवेगळे योजना राबयतात तशेंच ह्या जे लोकांचे जे NGO जे आसात SC लोकांक कार्य करणारे तांकां आमी हांगा आपयल्यात. आमचो उद्देश आसा की ह्या दोगांचे गोंयच्या विविध खात्यांचे अधिकारी आनी हे NGOचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह यांच्या दोगांच्यान भासाभास जावची आनी हे जे काही योजना जे राबयतात तेंचो कितपत ह्या लोकांक तेंचो फायदो जाता हे आमकां कळून येवपाक जाय.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.